And once again, on behalf of Cebu Pacific, with this flight being led by Captain Fish together with Captain Jim, this is your first officer and me once more thanking you guys for flying with Cebu Pacific. In the meantime, sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the flight, and we hope to be of service again in one of your future flights. And we thank you once more, and I wish you all a good day.
Nadel. Ayos na.
It's past the hour of 11 in the morning, and there is a 4-hour time difference between Dubai and Manila. Manila being ahead by 4 hours. Ground temperature is at 31 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
And we're now proceeding to the Terminal 3 for proper and safe disembarkation. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off.
Jojo, wait lang, Jojo. Wait. Busy na ang lahat. Ayan, si Papa. Ayan. Okay na? Ano?
Ayan, palabas na. Joro.
Pati mga ano ba?
Bye-bye. Jojo. Luzon, Mindanao. Tapos dito sa amin, Visayas. Pinoy Jeepney. Sari manok, oh, sari manok ni. Sari manok.
Sa natin sa immigration. Immigration na, anay.
Oh. Bunso. Nandito namin sa domestic. Let's go. Yan ang presyo dito. jacket sa bulsa.
Joe, there's more store there.
Let's go na.
Jojo. Ang daming dala ni Jojo. Ako na yan, Jo. Thank you. You want ensaymada? Pa? Met? Gusto mo? Hmm? Paksis lang, matawsan.
Mulak ensaymada.
Ay, cheese na lang yung pangatlong box na sige.
Bilis mamasyali ng mulak ensaymada. Ilang box lahat, Lin? Ayos na yun.
Hindi na yung bata mo.
Thank you po. Ayan, magbiyahe na kami ng puntang Rojas. Diyan ha?
I wanted to sit here.
Rojas na.
I have a ton of space.
Jo, wait Jo. Ha? Ito yung sakyan namin, oh. Yan. Yung number 1 talaga.
Pagsakay nyo.
Sa una-una talaga si Mama Shalene at si Johara, oh. Sa una-una. So, nang una talaga. Grabe yung clouds, no? Dagat na dagat, oh. Kita yung dagat din, no? Ito, dalo mo. Dito kami sa unahan talaga ng airplane, no? Namasyali ng Jo. Going to Roa City. isla din, no? Yung pala 7,000 plus yung isla ng Pilipinas, kaya ganyan, no? Oo, to Jesus Shrine, no? Ano to? Sa Rojas City, Capiz. Welcome to Rojas City. Jojo sa Mama Shelly, no?
Hello everyone. Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Rojas City Airport. Time check for your convenience. It's 22 minutes past the hour of 4.
May mga baka.
Baka pa daw doon, no?
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure that you
Okay.
have your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when
Welcome to seafood capital of the Philippines.
Mangyari po dapat kamalaniling na lupo at hindi managalanitaw
Rojas
si fasten
Airport, no?
seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang iyong gamitan. Nais din namin parang sa inyo na paggamit ng paliguan sa mga sandaling ito ay maigpitin na babawal. And on behalf of the entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight crew, Captain Delos Reyes, and First Officer Tan, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly more fun in the future.
Copy, good sound, that's for Raven. Cross check.
Okay, everyone,
Ayos.
we're flying Cebu Pacific. Your cabin crew set momentarily to the safety-related procedure.
Medyo, Jo.
Please remain seated. Please stop.
Ayan, bababa na kami.
Yuga. Do. Tanong. Ay, may gali may space anda dyan. Ano? Daadimit. Ari pa isa.
Atoy.
Ay, makao na kita sa ano tayo?
Ano?
Sa diyan nga gusto yung kao.
Hindi niya kailan na.
Hindi makao kung gusto niya na. May sa...
Hello, Johara.
Ano plano?
We are here at Bye Bye Beach, Rojas. Nandiyan, no?
Makatilis lang. By the way, what is that over there? Baka nabi nagsuksok at brief mo, di. Dapat...
May pala dito. May jet ski man sila, oh. Hindi kita makao, no? Hindi dito, panay sa piyak.